Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got some cleaning motivation for you. I am going to try to do a power hour and get as much as I can done before the kids get home. And yeah, my house is a wreck. It is a wreck. I haven't been feeling good lately, so I've just been kind of slacking off and not really worried about it. So I'm going to try and get all this in tip-top shape. Oh, there she's sleeping, and my other helper over there sleeping. And here is my list, and I'm going to have a timer and try to get things going.
When you smile at me, I slowly begin to realize that you are the one. I was sneaking a note in your pocket, and I leave with your smile in my mind. Wherever we will end up, I will love it. 'Cause you're mine, 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 mine. And you know I'll walk a million miles for you.
I got my lilac spray so my house will smell amazing. I love this scent. I do. I like it more than the peony. I like the mint. I like the lilac. I like the peony, but lilac is where it's at.
Cover the moon, will manage to stand the ground. Without you, I'm a non-leaf tree, cold and naked.
In the 60s, 70s, 80s in my area, so I've been having the windows open to kind of like air out the house. Ew, and look how gross that is. I just want some fresh air. I want that springtime. But of course the pollen's starting to pop as well, so I need to get those windowsills cleaned out. I shouldn't have to say this, but I have a multi-pack of different colored plain microfiber cloths, and I don't always like try to alternate colors so that you guys know that I'm using a new rag. Like I just wipe the windows out and then I'm wiping other things with the same color rag. Doesn't mean it's the same rag, but I feel like I need to add a little bit of a disclaimer so you guys don't think I'm just rubbing pollen gunk all over everything else. I've noticed that a lot of people comment on that on anybody who uses microfiber cloths, like, hey, they come in value packs, so you're gonna get the same color cloth multiple times. I'll talk about the drop spot, and this counter right here is my drop spot, my kitchen table, and then if they bypass the kitchen table, it is this area right here where all the snacks go to die. I don't know why they can't put them back in the pantry, but yeah. Do you guys have a particular spot, or do you have multiple spots around your house like I do that just get covered if you don't constantly pick up after it?
Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me, or just sit beside me and never leave? I got the curtains up,
to disinfect this cabinet above my toilet because, like, that's above the toilet. That's where all the, like, yeah, I just like to rub that down and clean the handles off and use my disinfecting wipes on it to make sure it gets very, very clean. As you can see in the background, I did not manage to get everything done before my kiddos got home, but I only had one thing left to do, mop. I didn't get a chance to get upstairs and make my bed and bring any laundry down, but I am happy that I got a chance to mop. I just love mopping, and I love the way it just makes my whole house smell good. I just use some vinegar and hot water and a little bit of dish soap, and it brightens my whole day.
An angel set me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Don't let me darken your front door. That is not what I came here for.
Hopefully you guys got some cleaning motivation from this. I really do love making these videos. I love sharing my tips and tricks, and I love reading what you guys do in the comments. I love learning how to do new things, or like, I don't know, just something as simple as, oh, well, you do this, I do this. So I love adding in new things to my routine. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make cleaning motivation videos twice weekly.
Every